Say hello to BirdSmart Bird-Safe Glass by Vitro Architectural Glass, a new solution designed to help your projects meet evolving code requirements without compromising your design vision. With bird-friendly building codes now active in New York, California, Illinois, Oregon, Minnesota, DC, Ontario, British Columbia, and more, it's clear bird-safe design is no longer optional. It's essential. That's where BirdSmart Bird-Safe Glass comes in. This first-surface laser-etched glass reduces bird collisions while maintaining the visual clarity your projects demand. Its etched markers are barely noticeable to the human eye, so your clean lines and crisp views stay just that, clean and crisp. Watch here as we pull back from the glass. The patterns become practically imperceptible from a distance. From the inside, the patterns leave an unobstructed view of the outdoors as well. Manufactured in our Wichita Falls, Texas plant using a clean, non-caustic laser etching process, BirdSmart Bird-Safe Glass is as environmentally thoughtful as it is code compliant. BirdSmart Bird-Safe Glass by Vitro, where performance meets protection and your design vision stays crystal clear.